Y'all know this is really like a hurricane coming for Zob. Gotta fix the trampoline and put it over there. You put it over right here. Here's my dad and mom and grandma. Yeah. Them. Baby's trying to make the trampoline fix. Then I don't want to blow out, or the whole city would get out. So it will blow real fast. Oh look, there's Lulu. There's Lulu. Her name is Lulu. Say hi, Lulu. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, this is for the trampoline. Smell like a fart in here. Yeah, this is from the trampoline that we just gonna get. So we're gonna use the army one. So you gotta use the army. Daddy! Daddy! Dad!
Well then unhook it, let it go further from here.
Hey Dad! Dad, I'm recording this on YouTube. Dad, I'm recording this.
It's not going anywhere.
Dad, look, I'm recording this. Dad, I'm recording this on YouTube.
No, no podemos YouTube.
Okay, fine.
Pásalo para aquí. Either that or we have to push it further inside.
Here he comes, that's a hurricane. We will see you.